In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dynamic placeholders to Xero Invoice reminder emails. By the end, you'll know how to personalize reminder messages automatically, so each customer sees their own name, amount due, and due date without you lifting a finger. First, a quick note on what placeholders are. Think of them as smart tags that pull live data from your invoice. Instead of typing a customer's name or the exact balance each time, a placeholder does it for you at send time. This keeps your reminders accurate, consistent, and more likely to get attention, while saving you time. Start by logging in to Xero. From the main dashboard, head to Sales, then choose Invoices. Open any invoice. We're using this simply as a convenient path to the right settings. Once the invoice is open, look for the More Options menu, the three dots near the top. Click that and select Invoice Settings. In the Settings area, find and click Invoice Reminders. This is where Xero controls the timing and content of your reminder emails. Pick the reminder schedule you want to update and click Edit. You'll see the email subject and message fields for that schedule. Now click Insert Placeholder. Xero will show you options such as contact name, amount due, and due date. Choose the ones that make sense for your tone and purpose. For example, placing contact name near the top keeps it personable, amount due adds clarity to the ask, and due date sets expectations. You can add placeholders to the subject line for quick context and to the message body for more detail. Xero inserts the exact tag for you. Avoid retyping or changing the format, since the system relies on the exact placeholder syntax. Take a moment to read the updated reminder template out loud. Check spacing and punctuation around each placeholder so the sentence flows naturally when the values are filled in. Keep the subject concise and clear, and maintain a friendly but firm tone in the message. If you don't see invoice reminders, you may need the right permissions, or reminders may be disabled in your organization. When you're happy with the wording, click Save. That's it. From now on, your reminder emails will automatically pull in the correct contact name, amount due, and due date for each invoice on that schedule. You've turned a generic nudge into a personalized message that's clear, professional, and more effective at getting invoices paid on time.